video. And first off, I want to say I'm so sorry. This is up a bit late. I think their video came out 2 days ago, but I was having some problems with my memory card. That's why I didn't get to film a reaction to GOT7's new music video. And there were a couple new comebacks this week that I didn't get to film a reaction video to, so I'm really sorry, guys. But I promise I will be trying my best to get back on track. I feel so weird that I haven't filmed because, you know, I was really getting in the groove of things and like uploading like every other day at least. So I'm sorry for a couple days off, but I am back. I am always here to support some girl groups. So we're going to be reacting to April today. I'll be honest, I don't know like all their names. I do have a bias. My bias is Chaewon. Chaewon, I'm not sure if the W is silent. I'm sorry guys, really bad at pronouncing names, but let's go ahead and do this. I'm really excited to watch this. I really loved Take My Hand, like I was obsessed with that. I really also loved Mayday. I think those are my top two title tracks from them. Here we go. Wait, that's kind of from... Okay, wait, everything's coming at me so fast. This is a good dance. They're really good dancers. Wait, is the first like part, it kind of reminded me of their, what is their first song? It's not their first song, I don't know. Sorry, I'll stop. There's closed captioning. I love these outfits. Oh my god, this video is like so elegant and classy. I love this. I love this already. She looks so good. They all look so cute. Oh, she looks so good with short hair. I love it. I love this like this setup where it's like they're dancing, you know, on the stage, and you can see the audience seats, I guess. Ooh. Oh my god, I love that outfit. The girl right there. I don't know her name, but I love that outfit so much. Oh my god, she is so pretty. Ah! I love this, guys. Oh, is she like, does she do ballet in real life? I love these outfits. Like, I'm loving the whole, like, it's not, what is this? It's not a cutesy concept. It's like an elegant, like classy, pretty, I don't know, I love it. Ah. I love that dress. Oh, they have blue flowers on them. I love it. Ooh. Oh my god, she looks so good. It was a... Oh, these outfits, yes. Okay, she looks so good with short hair, guys. I wish I could pull off short hair, but my face is so big. Yes. Her makeup is so good. Yes. Okay. I love these dresses. I love this dance. I love this song. Ah! It's over already. No, it's not. Oh my god, I love this dance. I love this. What it like... Oh my gosh. I love it. Guys, I really like this. They came out with a whole album too. 5th mini album. Should we listen to it? Okay. Here we go. Alright, just listen to Bluebird, so let me skip to the next song. Next song is Beat. Ooh, I like this beat. this song like in the summer. Next song is Angel Song. I like that. What is that? It sounds like a cartoon or something. Oh, okay. Wait, I'm kind of like actually loving this album. What is this song? This is Angel Song. I like this. I haven't listened to the full album yet, but I think this might be my favorite so far. It's like, you know, just like a feel-good, like... Ah! Alright, the next song is Hide and Seek. Let's see what we got. I really like this album actually, guys. Wait, let's see. Okay, they were on Weekly Idol in 2015, it looks like. Let's see. That was, wait, was that when Somin was in it from Card? They were on Weekly Idol when Somin was still in it. Oh god, that's really old. Let's see, were they on like After School Club? Okay, they were on After School Club. So I think I'm gonna watch that tonight because I'm trying to stand them. They're really good. Alright, last song is Too Bad. Let's see what we have. Ooh, is this a slow song? Oh no. Is it? I don't know. I feel like the beat's gonna drop soon. It's not, it's a slow song. I think. Wait, this might be my favorite. This is a cute song. Oh, girl, her vocals. Her vocals. Guys, someone can, who's the main vocal? Who is singing that part? That's really nice. Okay, I think that's my favorite song, guys. But it's a tough call. So I'm definitely gonna have to stand them. I'm gonna watch their episode on After School Club. We have decided to stand forever. Let me know if there's anything else like I should watch them on. They were on any other like variety shows or anything that you guys think is good. But yeah, guys, so I really like this, and I really like the concept where it's like it's like girly, elegant, like I really don't know what other word to describe it with, but I really am loving this style of dance. I think I'm gonna try and learn it. I actually learned Take My Hand, but I never got around to filming a cover. And let me know like what you want to see next, if there's any other videos you want me to react to. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye! What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to give this video a like, as well as subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you will never miss a future upload. It would mean everything to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.